Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Mike and I'm here to help you understand New Zealand property market better. Today we will be speaking about a common misconception that people have, and it will cover the difference between appraisal and valuation. People often use these terms interchangeably even though they're not the same. So keep on watching to learn more. But if you're new to my channel, welcome. Feel free to subscribe as I publish my videos every week to make sure that you have useful tips and tricks to help you make more informed decisions. But for now, let's talk more about the difference between a valuation and an appraisal. So an appraisal is something that a real estate agent gives to their vendor prior to signing an agency agreement. Agency agreement is the contract that you sign with the real estate agent when you ask them to work for you. Before you sign it, your real estate agent should tell you what sort of range or what sort of price you should expect for your home, and that all comes in appraisal. Appraisal normally has a few pages, and depending on who you work with, it can be anywhere from 3-4 pages to maybe 10-15 pages at most. And most appraisals talk about your house or your property. They talk about the advantages it's got, compares with other properties in the area, and it also covers off recent sales and current sales in your area. It sort of gives you an estimate. It's not something that's 100% accurate because, well, nothing is really 100% accurate, but it's more of an estimate what you could expect to get for it. A lot of people have a misconception that they can take appraisal, go to the bank and say, hey, that's what my house is worth. Can you lend me money to buy this and that? And the bank will say no, because for the bank to be able to give you a loan, you need to present a valuation. So valuation comes from an independent valuer and it costs. Appraisals are provided for free because real estate agent is trying to get your listing and trying to explain to you why you should sign a contract with him or her. However, valuation is a process and it's a document that you'll have to pay for. First of all, valuations are normally quite heavy and they can contain anywhere between 25 to 40 pages depending on who your valuer is. There are a few independent valuers and there are a few independent companies who do the valuations, and your bank will have a preferred valuer. A preferred valuer is someone that they will ask to do the valuation for you. You will have to pay for it, obviously, before they approve your loan. In this situation, imagine you're trying to buy your second home and you use an equity in your existing home. So for this, you will need a valuation. Valuation takes time, and in a hot market, you might have to wait for a couple of weeks or maybe 3 weeks. So do take it into consideration when you are about to buy a property or when you're about to put in certain conditions when buying property. Because the bank will need a valuation, and then after that, the bank will say, I agree with that, we can give you as much, or we can't. There are very many different circumstances, and it's best to seek technical and legal advice to understand them better, but this is a very, very simple overview of the difference of an appraisal and evaluation. I hope you found this video useful, and I look forward to see you in one of my next videos. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.